Good morning to one and all present here. I am Adeline Veena, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology, Mangadu, Chennai. Today I am going to present the subject Cloud Computing, subject code CCS 335 as per Regulation 2021. In this video, we learn about the definition of cloud computing and the types of cloud computing and the different services in the types of cloud computing. What is the cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources such as server, storage, applications, and services over the internet on an on-demand, scalable, and pay as you use basis. Then some different features in the cloud computing. On-demand self-services, scalability and flexibility is the cloud computing features. Pay-per-use model is the cloud computing, that is access from anywhere. That is a high availability and reliability. Then example of the cloud computing means Google Drive, Amazon and Microsoft Azure is the example of the cloud computing. What are the different types of cloud computing? There are three types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and a hybrid cloud. What is a public cloud? Cloud services provided over the public internet. It is resources shared among the multiple users. Then cost effective and high scalable. Then public cloud is managed by the third party providers. Example, AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud is the public cloud example. Then next one, private cloud. Private cloud is a single organization. That is a cloud infrastructure dedicated to single organization. It provides high security and control. It can be hosted on premises or by a service provider. Example, it is used by the bank, government, healthcare organization. The next one is a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud. It is a combination of public and private cloud. It allows the data and application to move between the cloud. It provides the flexibility, scalability, and security. Example for private cloud for sensitive data and public cloud for the workload. These are the types of cloud computing. Then different services in the cloud computing. There are three types of services in the cloud computing: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Then infrastructure as a service, it provides the virtualized computing resources. It includes servers, storage and networking is the infrastructure as a service. It uses the controls the operating system, application and data. Example, Amazon EC2, Google Compute Engine is the infrastructure as a service example. Platform as a service. Platform as a service, it provides the platform of application development. It includes operating system, runtime, middleware, and tools. The developers focus only on a coding. Example, Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure App Services in the example of platform as a service. Then third one, cloud service model in software as a service. It delivers the ready-to-use software via the internet. No installation or maintenance required. It access through the web browsers. Example, Gmail, Google Drive, and Salesforce. The above services can be used in the cloud computing. Then application of cloud computing, data storage and backup. Google Drive and Dropbox is using the data storage. Web hosting. Website and web applications are the web hosting software. Then software services, example for Gmail, Microsoft 365 is the software services. Big data analysis, large scaling data processing is the big data analysis. AI and ML, that means artificial intelligence and machine learning model training and deployment. IoT, Internet of Things, device data processing and monitoring techniques can be used. Disaster recovery, data protection and business continuity is used by the disaster recovery. Mobile app development, it is a backend services and APIs. NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture. NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture. This topic is very important topic. Anna University examination. The above topic is asked many times. Then 13 marks question or 15 marks question. Then NIST is the expansion National Institute of Standards and Technology. It is developed a standard reference architecture to provide a common framework for understanding cloud system. This architecture explains the roles, components, and interactions involved in the cloud computing using standardized framework defined by NIST. It consists of 5 major actors: cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud broker, cloud auditor, and cloud carrier. There are 5 major actors in the NIST cloud computing architecture. Then namely cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud broker, cloud auditor, and cloud carrier. Then first one, cloud consumer. Cloud consumer is the end user or organization that uses the cloud services. It requires and manages the cloud services through the interface. It depends on the SLA for performance and availability. There are 3 consumers: software as a service consumer, then platform as a service consumer, and infrastructure as a consumer. The above 3 consumer is including the cloud consumer. Example, individual users, enterprises, and the institutions. Then second one, cloud provider. Cloud provider is responsible for delivering cloud services and managing infrastructure. It consists of 3 major layers: service orchestration, cloud service management, and security and privacy, and service deployment. The above detail is the major layer in the cloud providers. The next one, service orchestration layer. Service orchestration layer coordinate cloud resources to delivery services. There are different services in layer. Then software application delivered via in the internet, platform for application using the development, virtualized infrastructure resource in the infrastructure as a service. It resources abstraction and control layer. It can be used the virtual machine, storage abstraction, and network virtualization. The next, physical resource layer. Physical resource layer nothing but physical server, storage devices, and network hardware is combined to the physical resource layer. Then next one, cloud service management. This layer manages the operation and delivery of cloud services. It is some different function can be occur: business support, provisioning or configuration, and last one, probability and interoperability. Business support, it is used by the billing, SLA management, and customer support can be used in the business support function can be used. Then provisioning or configuration. It is the resource allocation and service deployment work is can be used in this function. The next one, portability and interoperability. It is used for the data migration and multi-cloud supported using in the this function can be accessed. Then security and privacy. It identify the access management, the data protection and the network security can be occur. The next, privacy, user data confidentiality, regulatory compliance, policy enforcement is the privacy function. Then what is a cloud broker? Cloud broker act as an intermediary between consumer and cloud provider. Then different providers can be occur. Cloud provider 1, cloud provider 2. Therefore, cloud broker act as the intermediary between cloud consumer and provider. Some different function can be occur. Service intermediation, service aggregation, and service arbitrate. Then service intermediation add the value to the services. What are the different services you need? This function can be add the value. Service aggregation, it combines the multiple services. Suppose we have to need the infrastructure as a service, you need the combine. Then another one, platform as a service, you need that services combine the multiple services. Then service that can be the service aggregation. Service arbitrage, it select the best provider dynamically. Which provider is best, that can be select dynamically. Then cloud auditor. Cloud auditor, it performs the independent assessment. It evaluates the security control, privacy policy, and performance and compliance. It ensures cloud services meet standards and SLAs. Cloud consumer and cloud provider interact between the cloud auditor. The next one, cloud carrier. Cloud carrier, it provides the network connectivity, transfer the cloud services from provider to consumer. That between cloud consumer and cloud carrier. Cloud provider is intermediated between the cloud consumer and cloud carrier. Thank you.